The Lord is speaking to the sons of men. Ready, my people, for the time has come. I'm calling my bride. It is finished, it's done. I see him, I see him, I see the King of Kings. I hear him calling to all his mighty men. The heavenly armies are gathering with him. Mounting a white horse, he's coming again. Hear, oh my people, the song of love. Soon you will hear the trumpet above. Through all the ages, I kept you in hope and love. My Father is sending me from heaven above. Be ready, be ready, be ready, my love. I'm coming in glorious might. No eye have seen such wondrous sight, shining splendor in my marvelous light. Sing, oh my bride, for your suffering is gone. In my mercy, I'm taking you along. Sing hallelujah, yes, sing your song. The Spirit is calling his bride to come. Sun, mounting the white horse, the Lord is to come. Mounting the white horse, the Lord